Hello and welcome to Health Mastery. Our today and a very important topic is 7 common foods that will kill your dog. Stay until the end of the video for the important takeaway tips. Have fun by watching and don't forget to share it with friends, families and on the social media. I'm particularly happy about a subscription and a like. While some human foods can indeed be dangerous or toxic to dogs, it's crucial to focus on providing safe and healthy nutrition for our furry friends. If you want to know about safe and healthy foods for dogs or have any other pet-related questions, feel free to ask. Our first dangerous food for dogs is chocolate. No, chocolate is not a common food for dogs, and it is actually toxic to them. Chocolate contains substances called theobromine and caffeine, which dogs are unable to metabolize effectively. These compounds can build up in their system and lead to various health issues, ranging from mild gastrointestinal upset to more severe and life-threatening conditions. Symptoms of chocolate poisoning in dogs may include vomiting, diarrhea, increased heart rate, restlessness, panting, tremors, seizures, and, in severe cases, even death. Theobromine and caffeine content can vary depending on the type and amount of chocolate consumed. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder have higher concentrations of these substances compared to milk chocolate. As a responsible dog owner, it's essential to keep all forms of chocolate and products containing cocoa away from your dog's reach. If your dog accidentally ingests chocolate, you should immediately contact your veterinarian or a pet emergency clinic for guidance. The veterinarian may induce vomiting or provide other appropriate treatments based on the situation. Our second dangerous food for dogs are grapes and raisins. No, grapes and raisins are not common foods for dogs, and they are actually considered highly toxic. The exact substance in grapes and raisins that causes toxicity is not yet identified, but even small amounts can be dangerous and lead to serious health issues. Consumption of grapes or raisins by dogs can result in symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, lethargy, loss of appetite, and increased thirst and urination. In severe cases, it can lead to acute kidney failure, which can be life-threatening. It's crucial for dog owners to be aware of the risks and avoid giving grapes, raisins, or any foods containing these ingredients to their dogs. Also, be cautious of other products that might contain raisins, such as some types of trail mix, baked goods, or cereals. If you suspect that your dog has ingested grapes or raisins, even in small quantities, it's essential to seek immediate veterinary attention. Prompt treatment can significantly improve the chances of a positive outcome. Instead of grapes or raisins, consider offering safe and appropriate treats formulated for dogs. Our third dangerous food for dogs are onions and garlic. Onions and garlic are not common foods for dogs, and they are considered toxic to them. Both onions and garlic belong to the allium family, and they contain compounds that can be harmful to dogs, and cats as well. The specific substances in onions and garlic that are toxic are called thiosulfates. When ingested by dogs, these compounds can damage their red blood cells, leading to a condition known as hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia can cause symptoms such as weakness, lethargy, pale gums, and in severe cases, it can be life-threatening. It's important to be cautious about any food containing onions or garlic, including raw, cooked, or dehydrated forms, as well as products like onion or garlic powder. If you suspect that your dog has ingested onions or garlic, it's crucial to seek immediate veterinary attention. The veterinarian may induce vomiting if ingestion was recent, and they will provide appropriate treatment to support your dog's recovery. Our fourth dangerous food for dogs is xylitol. Xylitol is not a common food for dogs, and it is extremely toxic to them. Xylitol is a sugar substitute commonly found in sugar-free gum, candies, baked goods, oral care products, and some other sugar-free or low-sugar items. While it is safe for human consumption, it can be very dangerous for dogs even in small amounts. When dogs ingest xylitol, it can cause a rapid release of insulin, leading to a dangerous drop in blood sugar levels, hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia can occur within 30 minutes to an hour after ingestion and may result in symptoms such as vomiting, lethargy, loss of coordination, seizures, and even coma or death if left untreated. Moreover, xylitol can also cause liver damage in dogs, and the signs of liver failure may take longer to appear, hours to days, after ingestion. It is crucial to be vigilant and keep any products containing xylitol well out of reach of your pets. Even small amounts of xylitol can pose a serious risk to dogs, so it's essential to read product labels and avoid giving them any sugar-free or low-sugar products unless explicitly stated to be safe for dogs. If you suspect your dog has ingested anything containing xylitol, it is a medical emergency, and you should seek immediate veterinary attention. The veterinarian will provide supportive care to stabilize your dog's blood sugar levels and may administer treatments to prevent further complications. Our fifth dangerous food for dogs is alcohol. Alcohol is not a common food for dogs, and it is highly toxic to them. Ethanol, the active ingredient in alcoholic beverages, can have severe and potentially life-threatening effects on dogs if ingested. Dogs are much more sensitive to the effects of alcohol compared to humans due to their smaller size and differences in metabolism. Even small amounts of alcohol can be dangerous for dogs and may lead to symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, lack of coordination, difficulty breathing, tremors, seizures, and even coma or death. It's important to remember that alcohol can be present not only in alcoholic drinks but also in other products like certain medications, some desserts or dishes cooked with alcohol, and even household items like cleaning solutions or perfumes. Therefore, it's crucial to keep all alcohol-containing products out of your dog's reach. If you suspect that your dog has ingested alcohol or any product containing alcohol, it is essential to seek immediate veterinary attention. The veterinarian will be able to provide the necessary care and treatments to address the potential effects of alcohol poisoning. Our sixth dangerous food for dogs is avocado. Avocado contains a substance called persin, which is found in the fruit, leaves, seed, and bark of the avocado tree. While persin is not harmful to humans in normal quantities, it can be harmful to some animals, including dogs, in larger amounts. The level of toxicity varies between avocado varieties, and the size and weight of the dog can also play a role in determining the severity of the reaction. In some dogs, ingestion of avocado can lead to mild gastrointestinal upset, while in others, it may cause more severe symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and pancreatitis. The most dangerous part of the avocado for dogs is the pit, seed, which is large and can potentially cause choking or intestinal blockages if ingested. Given the potential risks associated with avocado consumption in dogs, it is best to avoid feeding them this fruit. Our seventh and last dangerous food for dogs is macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts can cause a condition known as macadamia nut poisoning when ingested by dogs. The exact substance in macadamia nuts that causes the toxicity is not yet fully understood, but even a small amount of these nuts can be harmful to dogs. The poisoning can lead to symptoms such as weakness, lethargy, vomiting, tremors, muscle stiffness, and an elevated body temperature. In some cases, dogs may also experience abdominal pain and difficulty walking. Fortunately, macadamia nut poisoning is usually not fatal, and dogs generally recover within a couple of days after ingesting the nuts. Always ensure that your dog doesn't have access to these harmful foods and keep them on a well-balanced diet specifically designed for their needs. If you suspect your dog has ingested any toxic food, seek immediate veterinary attention. Remember to consult with a veterinarian for proper guidance on what foods are safe and appropriate for your furry friend. I hope I could help you a little with these very helpful tips, and I'm looking forward to a new exciting video. See you soon and stay healthy, your Health Mastery team.